Want to create a realistic AI avatar that looks just like you for free? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to make an AI avatar that's so realistic it'll blow your mind. And the best part, you can do it unlimited for now, absolutely free. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Next Gen Aryan. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic AI avatar for free. And right now, it's unlimited, but who knows how long that will last. So, let's get started. First, open up your Chrome browser and search for Hamva. Click on the first link. At the top right, you'll see two options, Login and Start Free Trial. You can click either one. I'll click Start Free Trial. Now, you'll be taken to the Hamva dashboard. You can sign up with your Google account or use a temporary email. If you're not sure how to use a temp mail, check out my AI free unlimited tutorial video. I explain everything there. Alright, I'll quickly sign up using a temp email. After verifying the email, we're all set. Now, you'll see 250 AI Avenue avatars you can choose from. You can pick a theme like studio, lifestyle, cartoon, outdoors, health and fitness, and more. Then choose a gender and age group, young adult, adult or senior. For this example, I'm going to choose the studio theme. Now, you can add your own custom voice, either by uploading a recording or using text-to-speech. With text-to-speech, you can type in up to 1000 words at a time. For custom voice, it should be at least 30 seconds to 2 minutes long. The lip sync is amazing. It's even better than Dreamface. Trust me. Now, I'll upload an audio file, click export, and your AI avatar will start generating. This usually takes around 1 to 5 minutes. You can leave the page and come back when it's ready. Let me speed it up for you, and boom, here's the result. Want to create a realistic AI avatar that looks just like you for free? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to make an AI avatar that's so realistic it'll blow your mind. The lip sync is perfect and the quality is amazing, but there's a watermark on the video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it. Just go to any watermark remover tool, select the area where the watermark is and remove it. After that, the pixels might look a bit blurry, but don't stress. You can fix it by enhancing the video quality with any AI repair app. And there you go, your final video looks flawless. Check it out. Want to create a realistic AI avatar that looks just like you for free? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to make an AI avatar that's so realistic it'll blow your mind. If you enjoyed this AI avatar hack, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and drop a comment with any other AI tools you want me to try out next. This is Next Gen Aryan signing off. See you in the next video.